Today's totally true story from the Bible, Make It Your Feet Wet, as we discover Jesus' power gives us hope. Trust Jesus. Speaking of hope, I hope we don't run into any problems today. We'll get on a ship, and I always get a little seasick. You may not want to stand too close to me. That would be a huge mistake. But the weather is supposed to be calm, so it's smooth sailing. Are you ready to go? Hey everyone, before we go, we need to load the cargo onto the ship. You at home, be sure to load your ship up right now. Hey, getting on a ship is tricky. You'll have to board now. Watch your step and keep your balance. Hey, here's a letter. Uh-oh, listen to this. Dear Terry, I'm feeling a little green around the gills today, so I won't be able to sail the ship. But you used to sail, so you be in charge. Have a fun voyage, and thanks for your help, the captain. Wow, it's been a long time since I sailed a ship. When did you come back to me? Sort of like riding a bicycle, except without the wheels. Hey everyone, on your feet and let's make this place ship shape. Help me haul up those sails. And then we should swab the deck. And let's haul in the anchor. Okay, fire up the engines. Oh, wait a minute. In Jesus' time, the boats didn't have engines. Everything depended on the sail. We're going to have to wait for the wind before we go anywhere. But while we're waiting, let's talk about something that you'd like to change in your life. Everybody has things that they struggle with. Right now, it's kind of a bit of a struggle for me that I can't see my friends, I can't go out to play, and I'm at home a lot, and that makes me feel a little bit hopeless. How about you? Maybe there's someone in your life that you would like to go away, or a broken friendship that you don't know how to fix. We're going to pause the video now so everyone can have that conversation. Hey, thanks for sharing. It is no fun to be powerless. It feels hopeless. But today we're learning about a new kind of power, the power of Jesus. Jesus' power gives us hope. Trust Jesus. Hey, look, the wind has come up. Let's go. Wow, this should be an easy trip. Unless that prisoner chained up below is right. He said that this ship would sink. The cargo would float off, and we would be not sailing today. But he's not a sailor, so let's not pay any attention to him. His name is Paul, and from what I hear, he's a Christian who got in a lot of trouble because he began telling people about Jesus after God changed his heart. He used to hate Jesus followers, and now he is a Jesus follower. And the emperor doesn't like him because the emperor wants to be the one in charge. I heard that some of you might be Christians too. If you don't mind, here's a question for you. If you could tell someone who didn't know about Jesus something about Jesus, what would you tell them? We're going to hold on for a few minutes while you guys discuss that. Thanks for sharing. If you talk about Jesus, you probably won't get chained up and stuck in the bottom of the boat, like prisoner Paul down there. Hey, did anyone feel that? Might be raining. Wow, there it is again. It's definitely starting to rain. Hey, I'm going to go below and check the charts in case we're headed into bad weather. I'll check on Paul while I'm down there too. Bad news, mates. Down below there's water sloshing around. That means we're headed into rough seas. I hope that Paul guy wasn't right about what's coming our way. Things can get rough. Really, really rough. Can you feel it? The wind is picking up. Hey, everybody, the boat is starting to move. Lean to your left. That's the port side. Okay, we're good. Oh, wait. Lean to the right. We'll try to hug the shoreline before the ship breaks up. Quick, help me haul in the sails. go check to see if Paul's doing. This storm is just not going to stop. It's been going on and it's hopeless. Wow, we need to lighten our boat. Let's toss the cargo overboard. Everybody toss your cargo. Woo! Hey, Paul said that we should eat, but we're going to need our strength. He had these sea biscuits. Everyone grab a sea biscuit and eat it fast. Good news and bad news. The bad news is, Paul says the ship's going to land. The good news is, we're all going to be saved. That Jesus will take care of us. And that is, hey, is that the shore over there? Wow, it's hard to see with all this rain. I think that's the shore. Can't see much from here. Hey, we're going to try for the shore, but I have a tough decision to make. In situations like this, when I have a prisoner, I'm supposed to kill the prisoner before we're lost at sea, so he doesn't get away. But I'm not sure that that's the right thing to do. Paul, after all, did say that he's a friend of Jesus, and that Jesus would prepare us. And he was all prepared with the sea biscuits as well. What do you think we should do with Paul? You know what? I think we need to let Paul live. He's a great guy. Hey, we're running aground. The ship is breaking apart. We're going to have to jump overboard and swim for our needs. Quickly, kids. If you will run in your ship, stretch out your arms. You're ready to jump. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, we're going to sit down. My heart is just racing. Everyone sit down before your legs get out. Imagine that being on a ship that is splintered underneath you as you dropped into huge waves crashing against the shore. Lightning flashing, the wind howling. It must have been awful. But Paul was right. Not one person on that ship was lost. Trusting in Jesus gave them hope in this shipwreck situation. This time we want to talk again about how Jesus' power might help you in those situations. How might Jesus' power make a difference in the things that you talked about earlier? Let's have some time to talk about this. Thank you for sharing. I know that my friendship with Jesus powers up the hope that I have. I'm so glad that I know Jesus. And I know that praying about my situation, talking with God about it is helpful. And we have this good book, Tracking with Jesus Bible book. If you turn to page 14, you can see the story about Paul and the terrible, terrible time that he had on the ship. And maybe then you can talk about how Jesus' power will give you hope.